Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how to make this CSS grid that is responsive and adaptive when screen resized. In total will be 16 images, and as you can see, images located not in chronological order because of unique CSS layout. Create index.html file and open in VS Code editor. In body, create section with class section. Add h1 text that will be displayed on top of the page. Create a div with class grid. And in order to make this video short, I copy-paste divs and I will not type all 16 divs. Div has a class called item and added second part for that class. For example, in first image it is item large. In second image it is simply item. In third image item medium. Image number 4 item large. And image number 5 item full. So what does it mean? First large image it is number 1. Number 2 smallest image. Number 3 medium image. Number 4 large image. And number 5 full image that use entire width of the screen. Image number 6 will be in medium size, image number 7 in large size, image number 8 will be the smallest size image, image number 9 will be in medium size image number 10 will be large image. So this is image number 7, image number 8 displayed here, image 9, 10 and 11. As you can see, this grid is really unique. Image number 11 will be in the smallest size, image number 12 in medium size, image number 13 will be large, image number 14 will be in medium size, image number 15 and 16 will be the smallest images. So here's image number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So let's save it. Open index.html file in Google Chrome, or you can start live server, reload the page, and this is how project look before the CSS part. As it is a small project, I will not create separate CSS file and I will add CSS part into HTML file. If you want, you can always create separate CSS file and link it. For entire project, margin and padding 0 and font family Arial, Helvetica and sans serif. Save it and reload the page. Font changed as well as margin and padding now 0. For body, width and height will be 100%. Display flags, position relative. Everything will be aligned at center and off-white background will be added. Reload the page. Next, it is to add @support display grid and body display block. This feature is used to check that browser support the CSS layout or not. For media screen and minimum width of 768 pixel, section will have padding 50 pixels. Another @support display grid for section display block. For H1 added margin 0, 0 and 40 pixels, font size 35 pixels and added 2 pixels letter spacing. For grid, display grid, grid template column repeat, auto fit, min max 300 pixels and 1 frame. Grid auto row 150 pixels, grid auto flow, row dense and grid gap 30 pixels. This is how project look after reloading the page. For item, position relative, display flags, box size and border box, flags direction column, justify content flags and grid column start auto and grid row start also auto. Here added counter increment item counter. Background image will be from unsplash.com. Background size cover, background position center. Added grayish box shadow and transition 0.4 second is in out. Save it, reload the page. First image displayed correctly. Next part it is to add more background images. All background images will be from unsplash.com. So this is for third number. This is for number 4. So let's save it and check it. Reload the page. So now available variety of images. This is background image for number 5, background image for number 6, background image for number 7, and last one, background image 8. Save it, reload the page. This is all images that will be used for the project. Here could be added more images if required. For item after content the same, width and height 100 pixels, opacity 0.2, added transition opacity 0.3 second, is in out, and background color black. When user hover on image, will be added transform scale 1.05. When item hover after, opacity 0. For medium-sized image, added grid row and pan 2. For item large image, added grid row and pan 3. And for item full, which is the single long image, added grid column and auto. Save it, reload the page. So on hover, image scale up, and this layout is much closer to desired layout. Media for screen with minimum width 768 pixels, item full, grid column 1 and -1, and grid row and pan 2. Let's save it, reload the page. Now this full image displayed correctly. For description, padding is 15 pixels with white background and grayish purple text color. For description before, counter, which is item counter, padding right 20 pixels, font size 23 pixels, and displayed in a darker grayish purple color. So this is all. Let's save it and check the final result. Reload the page. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I will reply on it.